All right, y'all. I've made you guys wait long enough. Today, we're finally gonna talk about what's in my bag, the bag that I carry from home to work and back again, the bag that helps me get the job done. Let's get into it. First and foremost, I need my coffee. Currently drinking Phil's Coffee, Julie's Ultimate. I didn't get one this morning, so I'm taking it now. So good. Whew. All right, y'all, for real this time. First and foremost, as with everything on this channel and in line with our philosophy here, talking about everyday carry, we gotta live with purpose. So we gotta figure out exactly what we need in my everyday carry bag in order to plan out what we're gonna put in it. For me, there are a couple of things that I consider crucial and essential to help me get the job done each and every day. First and foremost is hydration. I feel like drinking water is really important, especially in the summertime, and right now where I'm at, it's about 80 degrees on average. And so if you're gonna be moving around a lot, being outside in the sun, in the beating heat, then you're gonna need some water. Number two is productivity. In the spirit of everyday carry and carrying things that will help you get the job done, this bag has got to up my productivity, make me more productive. So for example, productivity could be having a laptop pocket in the bag, allowing me to carry my laptop to a coffee shop so that I can work on my projects there. Another way I interpret productivity is portable power. That means having room for my tech pouch. In that pouch, I'll have all the cables, chargers, and external battery packs I need to get through the day. If you want to see a breakdown on what I keep in my tech pouch, I'll link that video up here. I think, yeah, okay, it's there. I keep pointing here, but I'm pretty sure it's here, and I've made that mistake multiple times. I'm pretty sure. Another priority for me in 2020 is being able to safely handle the coronavirus on the daily. That means having spare disposable gloves, masks, and hand sanitizer at the ready, which I also keep in my EDC bag. And finally, even though we're still experiencing really hot temperatures, I know that fall and lower temperatures are right around the corner. So I need to have space in my everyday carry bag to keep a jacket or a thermal to make sure I'm prepared for lower temperatures. All right, now that we've laid down the groundwork and figured out our plan, our vision for what's gonna be in our kit, I'll just show you all the contents of the bag and we'll go through it one by one, all right? Let's do it. All right, y'all, that was a quick breakdown of what's inside the bag. Now we're gonna go through each and every one of those items to give you a little more insight as to why I included it in my daily bag. Maybe the thought process behind it might help you educate how you wanna lay out your kit. First and foremost, we've got the Mystery Ranch Urban Assault 21 liter. Now I feel like 21 liters is a very good size for your daily bag. Anything larger and it might start looking like a weekender bag, something big enough to carry all of your packing cubes, clothes for 3-4 days, a little too big for my everyday carry needs. You'll have to excuse how messy the bag looks. I thought about cleaning it and scrubbing it and making it look pristine for this video, but it's my daily bag. If you have a daily bag that still looks brand new out the box, you're not using it right. Getting into the bag itself, I've already gone through this at length, but I love Mystery Ranch's unique triple 3-zip closure. It's really awesome because it opens as a regular backpack, as well as being able to open down the middle so that you can lay it down sideways and have it open sort of as a duffel bag style setup. It's quick access for everything in your bag, so you don't have to go digging for things that you might have put at the bottom of your bag. I've also added zipper pulls to my backpack. I have these Maxpedition zipper pulls that have a unique rigid plastic shape that's perfect for putting your finger through and pulling with ease. I also keep a bongo tie at the top of the pack just in case I need to strap anything down. I also have this hero clip here that's pretty cool. It's a carabiner, but what's cool about it is that it converts into a hanger. So I can just clip the backpack to one side and hang the backpack off the edge of a counter or a table on the other. Another thing I like about this pack is that it's made of this water repellent waxed fabric. Couple that with the weatherproof YKK zippers all around the bag, and you can pretty much make sure that all the stuff that you keep in your pack stays nice and dry. Finally, for an everyday carry bag, Personally, it's gotta be comfortable. No matter what you can put inside it, no matter how much organization it has inside, it's gotta be comfortable on your shoulders because you're gonna be carrying this day in and day out. Jumping right into the top pocket, this is where I keep my little notebook and pen when I have a random idea I wanna jot down, or if I wanna organize some of my daily, weekly, monthly tasks, I keep it all in that little notebook. Now, another thing I've started carrying around is a quick deploy paracord bracelet. Now, I've found myself in a couple scenarios where I needed to fasten something or tie something down and I didn't have any spare rope. This thing keeps plenty of paracord in a neat little solution here, and it doubles as a bracelet that you can wear if you don't have your pack on you. Now, I made this one myself, and if you're interested in learning more about it or how you might be able to make it, let me know in the comments below, and you never know, it might appear in a future video. Diving into the main compartment, the two zips unzip to reveal the top hatch. And this is my best part. The 3-zip closure allows you to open a zipper right down the middle and reveal the contents inside for quick access. First and foremost, hydration. I got a 40 liter. This is the 40-ounce Takea water bottle. It's a double-walled, vacuum-sealed stainless steel bottle that keeps your cold liquids cold and your hot liquids hot. Very handy in the summer heat when all you've got is this water bottle to keep you cool. Put some water in there, put some ice in there, and it stays cold all day long. Essential. The Peak Design Tech Pouch. Everything I need tech related in terms of charging my phone, cables, chargers, batteries, accessories, everything goes in here. The backpack has two pockets in the main compartments, one small and one large. Keep in mind that the larger one can house a 15-inch laptop, so when you're headed to that coffee shop, rest assured you'll be able to fit a laptop in here that'll help you get the job done. Now, I don't have my laptop with me because, truth be told, I don't carry my laptop every day as a part of my daily needs, but I'd like to have a bag that can house it when I do need to carry my laptop. Here is my big notepad for big ideas. With line or ruled paper, I feel like it doesn't help you get down those more visual ideas. If you had a doodle, if you wanted to sketch something, I feel like having a dot matrix is a lot more useful in that regard. Currently reading Ultra Learning by Scott H. Young. I keep a book with me because you gotta always keep that edge sharp. Always improving, always learning. The bag also has two side pockets here, one on each flap. This one houses my COVID supplies. So I got spare mask here and a bunch of spare disposable gloves just in case an emergency comes up or I'm in a situation where I don't have hand sanitizer. In this flap, we got hand lotion because who likes ashy hands, and lip balm because dry lips suck. And that, my friends, is what's in my bag. What I carry on the daily, the ruck itself, and the contents inside. I really hope you guys found that useful, and sharing my thought process, I really hope that it kind of helps you formulate your own daily kit. Now, I know everyone has a different occupation and different needs, so that's why on this channel I really stress that you gotta live with purpose. You gotta find your purpose, what you need to fulfill that purpose, and customize accordingly. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and got something useful out of it. If you did, see that like button right there? I'd appreciate it if you smack the hell out of it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit that bell to be notified whenever I release new videos about everyday carry just like this. Live with purpose, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.